Good afternoon, Kinders. It's story time with Mrs. Radl. I'm going to share with you a how-to book that we read at school, but just to get your juices flowing for your writing workshop, I want to share this book with you. It's called How to Hold a Pencil. And this was a super fun book that we really enjoyed, so I thought it's always good to reread books that give us good information. It's fun to read books that we like. This book is written by Megan Hirsch, How to Hold a Pencil. Things you will need: your hand, a pencil, plus a piece of paper. Number 1, first you pinch, then use your pointer finger and your thumb to pinch your pencil. Bring up a friend for support. So once you've pinched, you bring this friend up for support underneath. The middle finger supports from beneath. This is what it looks like in the left hand. Number 2, hold 2 fingers near the sharpened end, but not all the way to the tip. About an inch from the tip is where you will hold your fingers. Still on the yellow part. This is too close to the tip, so we don't want to do that. Too close. This is too far from the tip. Too far. If you're back there by the eraser, you're way too far away. Number 3. Your fingers should be bent a little bit, but not too much and not too little. It's kind of like Goldilocks. Don't bend them too much and not too little, and you'll find the sweet spot that's just right for you. These fingers are too bent. These fingers are too straight. Number 4, press hard enough to see your work clearly. So you don't want to write too lightly, and you don't want to press too hard where you break the lead. You want to do it just right. This is pressing too hard, the tip breaks and the paper tears. That doesn't feel good when that happens, does it, friends? This is pressing too softly. Too light to see. Can't see what they're writing on the page. Now, you can hold all of these other things too, the same way that you hold a pencil. The end. How to hold a pencil. And my friend Miss Wendy, who's our occupational therapist at Meadows, she loved this book when I shared it with her. And she also wants to remind you all, when you're holding your pencil, to make your backwards magic C when you're holding it, and that you should, oh my goodness, I can't remember what she calls it. I call it a backwards magic C when you're holding your pencil correctly, like this. So you've got like a little tunnel. All right, friends, that's all for now. Happy writing on your how-tos. Don't forget to use your transition words like first, next, then, finally. And you can also use words like in this book and number your steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's up to you, writers. Happy writing.